This video shows how to create the slice you want in Google VIP Sheets by changing the displayed dimension members. You can do so via the VIP Sheets sidebar for new or existing slices, or the Pick drop-down filter for an existing slice. The following slice is created from the Financial Data Cube in the Panda database with the following configuration. We begin by showing how to change dimension members via the sidebar. In this example, we will change the filter display member of the version dimension from forecast to actual. Double-click on version on the sidebar. The Select Members dialog box appears. The Select Members dialog box is divided into two panes, Member List pane on the left and Display pane on the right. In the Member List pane, select among the members, the hierarchy, and the subsets tabs the members you want to include in your target VIP sheet slice. In addition to dragging and dropping members, and using the delete key, the Select Members dialog box provides a number of methods to move members from the Member List pane to the Display pane. Use the Clear and Copy Selected Members icon to delete the member on the Display pane and replace it with the selected member from the Member List pane. Select Actual and click the Clear and Copy Selected Members icon. Forecast is replaced by Actual as Display Member. Click the Use Selected Members icon. You can see Actual on the sidebar as the display member for the version dimension. Next, we will change the current column's display member of the month dimension to the first quarter months. Double-click on Month in the columns box. Select January, February, March, and Quarter 1 as display members. The selected members appear on the Display pane. Drag and drop members to rearrange them in the Display pane. Click the Use Selected Members icon. On the sidebar, the selected members appear. Select New Sheet as the location, and click the Insert button. The resulting slice now displays data based on the new slice configuration. Now, we will show how to change dimension members using the Pick drop-down filter. We will first change the current account members using the corresponding Pick filter, and then choosing the Select Members option. In the Select Members dialog box, select the following members in the Member List pane as display members. Use the Insert icon on the toolbar to add empty rows between members in the Display pane. Click the Use Selected Members icon. the slice automatically recalculates to show updated members and values. Cell E9 now displays the updated members. Next, click the Pick drop-down arrow in cell F4, corresponding to the version dimension, and select Budget from the drop-down options. The slice automatically recalculates to show budget values. Cell E4 now displays the budget member. Next, change the year from 2021 to 2020. The slice automatically recalculates to show year 2020 values. Cell E5 now displays the year 2020 member. Next, we will show how to rearrange dimensions to change the slice view. You can move dimensions among the filters, columns, and rows boxes to achieve a desired VIP sheet slice view. In the current VIP sheet sidebar, drag month from the columns box to the rows box. Drag account from the rows box to the columns box. Select New Sheet in the Location section and click Insert. The new VIP sheet opens to show a different slice view. We now show how to stack or nest dimensions in columns and rows. To stack or nest dimensions, move month back to columns and account to rows. Drag year from filters to columns right above month. Change the current year member to 2021 and 2020. Select New Sheet in the Location section and click Insert. The slice opens in a new sheet, displaying year, stacked above month, showing their respective first quarter months. Finally, we will show how to configure a slice to display only rows with data. In this sample slice, rows 15, 21, and 22 have 0 values. Clicking the Hide Empty Rows option removes all rows with null values from the slice view. Click Insert to a new sheet and notice how the slice changed so that it only returns rows with data. Rows 15, 21, and 22, which have 0 values, are now hidden.